many times the behavior of a person who is having wealth, you attribute it to wealth. Even if he does not have wealth, if he had some other things like a power or beauty or influence, he will be behaving that way. Please understand, if somebody has abused you or behaved arrogantly, don't attribute that arrogance to the wealth he has. Even if he is poor, if he is influential, he would have behaved that way. I have seen so many poor fellows are more arrogant, abusive than rich people. So don't attribute the arrogance and misbehavior and demonic quality to the wealth they have. It's wrong. Separate your hatred for the person who has abused you from the wealth they have. If you are having the hatred, he is wealthy, that is why he is doing this, then the hatred will unconsciously turn towards wealth and you will not attract it. You will not create it. You will not work for it. Still, especially seekers carry strong engram. Wealth is the root cause of all evil. It is not. Please understand, it is not. Sit and dig out the earliest engrams you had about wealth. Earliest ideas you received about wealth. Sometime when your father and mother fights due to the reason of money, not only you hate father and mother, you start feeling unconsciously money separates people. Money breaks love. Money breaks relationships. That engram is enough for whole life you to live in poverty. Sometime you get into this kind of conversations. Oh, money. Money separated my parents. Money divided my parents. So, money is responsible for the evil. Another thing, you would have lost some relationship in your life because of money. Look deeply. Somebody expects money from you. You expect love from them. It is a misunderstanding of your bargain. It is not the problem of money. See, he expected money from you. You expected love from him. The relationship broke because you did not give money. Here, nowhere money has done any crime. His expectation is the crime. But what you feel inside you? Money breaks relationships. Finally, who gets the blame? Money. If you look deeply, how you created wrong conversations about money and how it has become ripe engram, wrong engram about money. You see, very casual talks you have with your family, friends, people. Because of money, my life is ruined. That conversation, when it is done 10 times, it will become engram. I tell you, it will become engram. All the wrong conversations you had about money, all the wrong engrams you created with money, dig it out. One more thing I want to tell you. If you understand all the negative engrams related to money, you will realize all the negative engrams related to your failures. Same way about success also. Being successful in life, you have created so many engrams about it. You have created too many engrams about being successful in the life. One, you are greedy about success, but two, you are always taught it is is very hard to be successful. Because it is very hard, you don't even want to try the first step.